Now, my beloved Scouts, my message for you today is a gentle reminder from the movie Spider-Man, recalling the scene when the old dying Uncle Ben reminded the young Peter Parker that with a great power comes great responsibility.
Isipin huwag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo, salubungin ang kinabukasan.
The moment you decided to join the Scout movement, you have already acquired the Scout great power, having the ability to train oneself in Scoutcraft for skills and self-reliance, citizenship, and character building. Another great power that comes with it is the very good side of human thought, which is service, the opportunity to serve other people, be of service to our neighborhood, community, and country.
That you are now a full-fledged member of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Capas National High School, outfit 166.
Hanggang sa muling pagkikita.